Yeah, come to
evenings. Perfect. So you want to walk, explore, help you around the city. So I tell you, I go literally everywhere and then watch the food. It's gonna be.
It's a main road.
Wow, this is serious, man. I have no idea what I've put myself into, man. This is more than my expectations. No jokes, bro. No jokes, brother. It's extremely freezing. And this is just the beginning. When it starts more than this, it's worse. Wow. I think I'm gonna quit this journey right now. I'm tired. Not tired, but wow. It's a long ride, man. So people go to the top at the most the highest there?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the first.
Yeah.
The second is here. And the main road is here.
So guys, if you can't make it to Ust-Kamenogorsk, watch this video and you're going to experience the feel of being in this ski resort. Is exactly what it is. It's ski resort. No jokes. Okay.
English your mother language.
Yep. So we'll call it a wrap. My legs are freezing. Guys, don't do the mistake I have done today. Don't walk in the snow with a sneaker. Never. Get the Timberland. Never, ever. You die, believe me, that was.
And without gloves.
Yeah, without gloves. Don't try it. Very important. So hello guys, I just left the mountain and it's my culture. After I reshoot, I have to just relax and reflect for the day. So there's a place I usually spend my day after when I'm in Ust-Kamenogorsk, and I think it's one of the best when it comes to their cuisine and their food. So, and I'm here with one of the staff and worker here. So I would like him to introduce himself to you guys. So tell me, what's your name, bro?
Hello guys, it's Aleph. My name is Al-Khair and I'm studied in Kazakh college in third course. I'm translator, but my English is not very good.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And this place is Timyan, and I work this place, and I have a deal. Yeah, come to our cafe. Yeah, and we have many dishes. And just we cook this delicious dishes with love.
Perfect. Yeah. So I tell you guys, when I tell you something is good, believe me, it's perfect. So you want to walk, experience nice company. They are very welcoming people. So when you are in Ust-Kamenogorsk, I will drop his contact, his Instagram information below this video. You could contact him, and he's also a translator, right?
Oh yeah.
And he could help you around the city. So I tell you, I go literally everywhere and anywhere to get you the best view. So I'm waiting for my food. So yes, stay tuned and say. No.
And our Timyan, our Instagram account is timyan.uk. And yeah, and I think Aleph is famous, future famous blogger.
So guys, today I'm going to be embarking on a journey exactly on this train for about 2 to 3 days on my way to Almaty. And this is my last day in Ust-Kamenogorsk. I'm going to Almaty, and I want you guys to just enjoy this trip with me. It's something that means a lot to me, and I thank you guys for subscribing and being part of my journey this so far. So welcome aboard as I go on this journey.
Here at the bus station, waiting to pick my train, and I'm going to experience my first trip to Almaty via train. So let me eat something. It's going to be a long ride. Now I'm going to be on the road, so I need to buy what I want to do for the road.
470, 400. Давай сюда, выброшу. Надо?
So it's a long ride. I got what I'm gonna eat. So yep. The old Russian train. I'm having so much luggage and I'm doing film at the same time. So I want to don't miss my train. Well, I remember when I went to Russia, I took this kind of train from Siberia back to Moscow. Such kind of cabinet screw thing. It's funny. So this is my room. No light, so I wait until I get light into this place. So it's gonna be a long ride. I get to Almaty on the 20th. Okay, okay, thank you guys. This is my room. Full day, 24 hours, only like 18 hours. Yeah, hello guys. It's going to be, I'll be spending about 2 days in this train. Yeah, 2 good days. So we're going to stop in almost about all the cities in Kazakhstan. Stopping everywhere, Simin, everywhere you think about. I had a long stay. Really, I've not
prophecy come my way. Your word will remain, my God. I used to follow you. So that's a restaurant. So Kazakhstan is one of the most biggest country in the world, part of the most biggest country. One of them is Russia, Canada, and Kazakhstan is also part. Biggest, very big country with a lot of vast land. So come and see, and if you can. Yeah, these are my friends from Ust-Kamenogorsk. So say hello, Africa.
Hello, Africa. Africa, hello, Uzbekistan. Привет, передачи.
Hello, Africa.
So I told you guys, we go, okay, I can see myself. So say hello to Africa.
Hi, Africa.
Yeah, good one. So I'm leaving Kazakhstan. I say goodbye to Kazakhstan. Bye. Bye.